In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about the interface of MoveMe. So if we start at the top, here on the top left, we can find a scene info. So here we can use these links to jump back to a specific version or a specific shot of the project or the project itself, or just the main projects page for our account. Then all the way on the top left we have the home button. Then below that are the different menus. So we just have a normal file, edit, view, insert, animate, and demos menu. Below that we'll have the toolbar, and where we can find the different tools for manipulating the scene and for manipulating keys. Then below that we have a workspace. So currently our workspace has two different panels. It has a scene view, which gives us the ability to see the 3D view or 3D scene. Then next to that, in this case, I have a key view, which allows me to see the different keyframes and animation curves. On the right hand side I have my sidebar. So currently in my sidebar I have a channel box which will show me all of the different channels for a specific object. Then I have the asset outliner, which will show me all of the different assets that are in the scene. Below that I have the asset select, which will give me a different way of selecting the different objects from a specific asset. Then towards the bottom we have the timeline. So the timeline shows us the currently active time. So next to that we have the different buttons to actually play, go to the beginning of the timeline, go to the end. Below the timeline we have the range slider. So the range slider kind of defines what the currently active time segment is. And then all the way at the bottom we have just an info line, which kind of shows us what MoveMe is actually doing. That's it. Thanks for listening.